In today's video, we're going to show you how to change the headlight in your Mercedes car. Hi, I'm Jeff, everybody, and welcome back to the CarBuyingTips.com channel. Let's get right into it. These are halogen, usually, and you want to make sure that your fingers never touch the glass on here because the oils from your skin can cause it to explode later. So what you want to do is make sure you're always wearing gloves whenever you're changing your headlights. And anytime you're working in the engine, you want to wear gloves anyway. Why do you want to stick your hands down there? This is going to be a very easy repair for us, folks, because the only tool we need today is this, a small screwdriver. In fact, it's so easy, a caveman can do it. Then when you come in and look underneath the driver's side here, you're going to look way up underneath, and there's the little red handle for the hood. I don't know why Mercedes is so stupid the way they do it. Every other car in the world has it clearly marked for the hood. But no, here you have to just know that there's a red lever there and reach up underneath and pull it. And that's all you do, and that will open up the hood. Okay, so now you'll come out and you'll see the hood is propped up a bit, but it's not completely open. You have to open the latch. Depending on where it is on your car, if you look under the hood, there's your little latch. You just find it, lift it up there, and that will unlatch it. And there you go. Okay, now that your hood is open, you come around on this side, so we're doing the passenger side today, but the other side will be the exact same, just a mirror image. And you want to come in and look back here behind the headlight. Now, as you look into the engine compartment here, there's two of these round caps that you can see here. This is not the one you want. You want the one that's back over here in the corner because it's right behind where the headlight is back here. See, so you don't want to do this one, it's this one back here. All right, so what we're going to do is you just turn it clockwise and it'll pop right out. See? That's all you got to do. Let me show you on this one where we can see it clearer. Just turn it clockwise and it pops out. And then to put it back in, you just put it into the slot there and turn it and it locks into place. So that's how they work. You just rotate the headlight lamp counterclockwise and it pulls right out, and it's attached to its cable there. See it? Now they don't give you much room here in terms of cable. This is as far out as you're going to get it to stretch. So now it's time to whip out our little screwdriver there and loosen the light bulb out of the socket. So you turn it around here, you pry it up a little more there. We're just slowly loosening it off of the socket. Then you come around to this side, you do the same thing there. And once you get it up enough, you should be able to pull it the rest of the way. Try not to grab it by the glass. You want to grab it near the base because you don't want to break the glass. It could be weak. So now we take our new bulb right here and we just plug it right in and push it all the way down just like the other one was. And we're ready to insert it back into the headlight housing. Now this is the really tricky part, so pay close attention. Okay, now before you insert it, I want you to pay close attention here. You see that tab at the bottom and then the two tabs on either side of the base? You want to make sure you're doing this right. You want to look for that matching openings for those tabs on the back of the housing. So you see how you have those two screws there? Those two side tabs are going to clip underneath those screws, and then the bottom tab that you saw is going to clip right into the bottom of that hole there. So let me zoom in for you and show you what we're looking at. See, there's your two screws there, and then there's your tab hole in the bottom there, that tab opening to receive that metal tab on the bottom of the light bulb. This is very strange the way Mercedes does it, but that's the way it is. So you have to make sure those three holes are lined up before you put the light bulb back in, and twist clockwise just a little bit to make it click into place. Okay, we put the lid back on and just give it a little turn. Hear how it snapped right into place there. And this is the way you do it, folks.
This is the way.
This is the way. This is the way.
And there she is, shining nice and bright, folks.